Hello, this is an Innoson. This is Innoson electric vehicle.
Yes.
You can save all your fuel. 15 years warranty.
This is 5 days I've been driving it. 5 good days. And it's still on 56%. And we are from Oka heading to Arizona, one way.
How long have you been driving it?
5 days.
5 days.
Yes.
And this is
and I tried it once.
Okay.
I've been to Inugu, I've been to Omo, I've been to Claudia, I've been to Oka once, this second time coming to Oka.
To Nemo.
And we went to Nemo too. Good. And man, I saved a lot.
Okay. You have used this motor for 188 kilometers.
Yes.
How many times have you recharged it?
Only once I've just recharged it. And maybe by tomorrow I'll recharge it again.
Okay. How long does it take to recharge, to get full?
6 hours.
6 hours.
You get it full. 2 hours can take you to some distance. In case if you are traveling. But fully charged, 100%, we give you 350 kilometers to Lagos. And Lagos is 200,000 kilometers. I think 200 kilometers. 290, right?
Yes.
And we have a remaining of 60 kilometers. So fully charged take you to Lagos.
Okay. How can you get the spare parts? Is it replaceable?
It's a new introduction.
Okay.
It's a new introduction.
Okay.
I believe that when people know about it, the spare parts will be everywhere. But you can get it from Innoson right now.
Okay. And sales and services, is it available?
What are you servicing? But with time, what can I say? 1 or 2 things can spoil, but you can get it from Innoson right now. It doesn't use oil. It's only electric. And the battery is 11 years guaranteed. 11 years guaranteed. So I can't use for 11 years. What is remaining?
Okay. Thank you.
Just show them road and see how speedy it is.
Okay.
The car can go. I'm in 120 now.
The car can go up to 120.
I'm in 120 now.
This is Tesla of Innoson brand. You know Tesla? This is the Innoson brand of Tesla.
Yes, you got it right.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.